Hey guys, I hope you're well and welcome back to my channel. If you are already subscribed to my channel, then hello, welcome back. If you are new here, then my name is Bradshaw and today I'm going to show you my wardrobe. So originally I did want something bespoke built in this space, however it was way out of my budget unfortunately. So off I trotted to Ikea. I planned my dream wardrobe on their planner online. It fitted within my budget and I'm so happy that I turned to Ikea in my time of need. It is the best thing I ever did. Anyone out there searching for some tips and tricks, you've come to the right place. This is going to be a tips, tricks and tour wardrobe video. First up, we have 8 things that I love about this wardrobe and some tips and tricks along the way. So let's get going. First things first, as you can see here, they are pretty much ceiling height. And one thing we learned whilst doing this is that you do need to build them standing up, which requires some extra hands to help. Ikea instructions say that you need 2 people. We had 4 people and we still struggled. I was getting a new carpet in this room, so I actually built the wardrobes first and then had the carpet fitted after. So the carpet down here actually butts up against the wardrobe and the wardrobes are on wooden floor. That probably saved us with underlay about 1 centimetre of space, which is crucial. It's very crucial when they fit like this. But down at the bottom of the wardrobe, you're actually quite limited to what you can put down here because you have the brackets from the door and it just doesn't fit in. So on previous Ikea wardrobes, we actually had this space completely empty. It was such a waste of space. I went to Ikea, I actually spoke to someone and she was like, you know what, you can put a basket down the bottom. Best idea ever. So I've actually got one of these baskets, which is actually full of bags right now, but usually those bags would all be shoved underneath and I just wouldn't know what's there, whereas with a basket I can pull it out. And the great thing about these baskets are the brackets are really small, so it kind of fits in alongside the doors. So in every wardrobe now I have one of these baskets. This is the wardrobe where I keep all of my clothes, and obviously I have a mixture of short clothes and long clothes. So I originally wanted the whole wardrobe to accommodate for the longer clothes, but then I thought, you know what, I actually still need a few drawers. What you can do is you can have a rail in the usual place, but you can also insert these little half drawer sections in, which are really great because you still get all of this space to hang your long stuff, but you can still have drawers and storage underneath all of your short items as well. Love it. So at first I wasn't too sure about the glass shelves and the glass fronted drawers. I thought that they'd be a bit messy. I didn't know if I wanted to see what was in the drawers really, but now that I have a few in this wardrobe, I am so glad that I have them. For instance, this is a glass shelf and it goes over this organised drawer with all of my stuff in it, but actually if I couldn't see it, then I'd have to open it every single time. Obviously, I wouldn't have a glass fronted drawer on my underwear or my socks because I know where they are. I don't need to check, but things like makeup, beauty, stuff like this, what I would do in future is pick a few more glass fronted drawers for things that are a bit nicer to see, like your perfume collection and stuff like that. It just makes opening up the wardrobe space a nicer environment. So yeah, glass fronted drawers and the glass shelves, I don't think are a waste of money. I have a lot of beauty and makeup and stuff. I did need a whole single wardrobe to store these in. So I decided from kind of waist upwards that I would go with the baskets rather than the drawers. They're much lighter. Obviously, if you don't fill them too much, you can still kind of unclip them and get them out, put them on the floor, look for what you need and then put them back. Not only that, they're kind of see-through as well, so it's really easy to see what's in there, and if I pull them out here I can actually look underneath and spot things that I want because the underneath is see-through as well. Love these baskets. Such an organised person these days, it's amazing. So one thing I wasn't too sure if it was a bit of a waste of money were the dividers that you can buy from Ikea. However, this is the most organised my jewellery has ever looked. So I've got this organiser for all of my jewellery and you know what? It is amazing. I've got all my rings in here and everything is so organised and I absolutely love it. This drawer organiser is one of the best things I bought with this wardrobe. It's amazing. And for instance, this is one that I didn't buy an organiser with. It's chucked in, it's messy, like everything's just doesn't look organised. Whereas when you open this drawer, different stories. So another thing I wasn't too sure about when I was ordering these wardrobes was whether I needed lighting in them. It was actually Chris that kind of said to me, yeah, lighting would be a really good idea. I was a bit like, oh, do I need to spend an extra 20 quid on lighting? Is it a bit of a faff? Am I really that sure about it? Best thing ever, because as soon as you open any of the wardrobes, they're all like automatic, so the light comes on. I can also see everything in detail. I don't need to like scramble around in dark wardrobes. They're definitely the best thing ever. However, one thing that I would advise you if you are thinking about getting lighting is to put them in before you push them too far back against the wall. Lights are up here and they do all link up, so you do have to get the wire around the back and through the back of this wardrobe, if that makes sense. It's just a lot easier to do it before you put anything in there and before you kind of push them right up against the wall. Get all that stuff done first. So to begin with, I wasn't too sure if I would put much in these little drawers, but actually having a few of these kind of smaller width drawers is super handy if you have a lot of things like lipsticks, makeup brushes and stuff like that. Or if you're not into makeup and stuff, if you have jewellery, little knickknacks are really, really handy for this. Like, I think if Chris was to have one of these wardrobes, this would be great for like camera batteries, memory cards, that kind of thing. I think sometimes stuff can kind of get lost in the bigger drawers because they're so deep. So definitely worth having a few of the smaller size drawers, even if you don't want these inserts in. They're really, really handy just to put like little knickknacks and things in, and they take hardly any space up. So this is how the wardrobes look from my desk area. So as you can see, I went for like the 2-panel ones. I will be putting little handles on, but I think I might just get something really, really simple. So wardrobe 1 is a single wardrobe, and this is where I store all of my kind of blog, work, beauty products and things like that. So starting from the top, we've got shampoos, loads of them. We've got products in here. I think this is skincare, makeup, more skincare, probably more skincare. And then this is like my new in section. And then in here, we've got a little drawer with all of my jewelry pieces. And then in here, we have lipsticks that I really like and use. In here, I have all of the Smashbox lipsticks that I got sent so long ago. I've got a box of lipsticks that I've been sent, and at the back here are all my kind of eyeshadow palettes and things like that, and then eyelashes and various other little bits and bobs. In here we have another kind of random drawer. These are old makeup bits that I don't want to throw away just yet. Nail polishes, Invisalign retainer brights, my simple skincare stash because I love this moisturiser, my fake tan stash because this is my favourite fake tan, and then I've got this for my birthday, my Chloe perfume backup stash as well because again, favourite perfume ever. In here we have my hair things, daily hair things that I use, and then down in this little basket at the bottom I've got my hair straighteners and any other hair tongs that I use, including my hairdryer. Wardrobe 2, this is the first double wardrobe. We have bags up here and other various little bits and bobs that I put in these little boxes. But what I like to do in here at the moment whilst it's empty is any outfits that I've picked for like tomorrow, for instance, I'll hang in here so that I know what I'm wearing. It's really handy. And then we have here my favourite thing about these wardrobes completely is this glass shelf with this organizer drawer underneath. So you get these kind of square sections. In here I've got sunglasses, normal glasses, I've got a notebook in there. Because it's got this glass top, I can see where everything is. And then in these drawers here, these big drawers, which are massive, I have some of my folded up clothes. So this is my t-shirts. And here I have some jumpers, again a little bit empty because it's summer at the moment. And then in the bottom one I have like trousers and jeans, which as you can tell I need a bit of a clear out because I have so many. In the bottom I have one of the larger baskets and that has my bags in it for now. And then lastly in this wardrobe, again I have this shelf at the top with some bits in, and then I've got some short hanging clothes here, and then I've got my longer items here which fit in this space perfectly. And like I mentioned earlier, this is like a little sectioning bit. So in this top drawer here I have my socks and underwear, I won't show you those. In here I have like cozy clothes and pajamas, and then in here I have my kind of photography drawer, so my cameras are in here, and then in here I've just got some cables and microphones, and then I've actually got 2 baskets here. So as you can see, they're empty. I've got room for stuff, which is amazing. So that is my quick fire wardrobe tour. I absolutely love it. So that is everything I have to say about my wardrobes. As you can tell, I'm super happy with them. It saved me thousands of pounds by going to Ikea. This video is not sponsored by Ikea, as much as I wish it was. But if you do fancy heading on over to the Pax wardrobe designer online, I will leave the link down below. It's a great way of just planning a wardrobe and getting some ideas. It makes you want one though, so if you're not planning on buying one, don't design it until you're ready. I hope these little tips and tricks helped you out. If you have any questions, then do leave them down below in the comments. And if you do have a Pax wardrobe, send me a picture on Instagram. My name is Bradshaw. I'd love to see the inside of your wardrobe and how you've configured it and whether I need to change mine to something better. If you're not already, then please do hit the subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed, then I will see you very soon for another video in my new office. So excited to have an office back, guys. I don't even realise. See you again soon.